Make a left turn on Old Coach Road.
You just go through a red light. I think that truck just went through a red light. I'm not sure, but I'm going to have to check that one. Illegal U-turn.
Land. Stephanie McDonald reports.
The 18-year-old woman was struck by a car
What are you
on
doing?
Browns Plains Road at
Are you
Marsden
fucking
just
serious?
after 7 last night. She was rushed to the Princess Alexandra Hospital.
Oh, you dickhead. You absolute fucking dickhead.
Stopped and rendered assistance. And
See
is
that?
Speaking with police.
Fucking idiot.
There are
Oh, good one, buddy. You knew where you were going, didn't you? Straight across an unbroken line.
Make a left turn on Abraham Road.
You don't fucking stop. It's a fucking slip road. I beg your pardon. You walk out in front of me, call me an asshole, you fucking bitch. Oh, straight through the red light. There you go. Straight through the red light, mate. That's the way to do it. You got a Ford Ranger. Get through the red light.
Make a left turn.
You're on the wrong side of the road, mate. How the fuck do you end up on the wrong side of the road? I don't know.
So I ordered some Domino's pizza tonight and we had a conversation. The guy at the door says, is there anything else I can
What's
do?
wrong with that?
And I
Cheeky fucker. That was a left turn only lane, buddy. A left turn only lane, 630YQE.
300 meters,
And you
make
just
a
did
left
that?
turn on Days Road.
Mr. Smarty Ass Tradesman. And you're going to do that.